My dear students, in today's class, let us do one practice problem in balance sheet. My dear students, balance sheet will be there in main menu, gateway of tally, under reports. So here there are some items which are pertaining to balance sheet are given. Capital, creditors. You copy, my dear students, please. Bills payable, debtors, stock, buildings, debentures, machinery, furniture, bank overdraft investments. My dear students, the very first step is just go to tally by making a double click and create a company. Okay, Alt plus F3. A new company you must create. Then go to ledger. How to go to ledger means from main menu, select accounts info, ledger, create multiple under all items. One after one you create under respective groups. Capital will comes under capital group, creditors current liability, bills payable current liability, debtors current asset, stock current asset, buildings fixed asset, debentures liability long term, machinery fixed asset, furniture fixed asset, bank overdraft under bank overdraft or current liability, investments under investments. After you enter all the ledger accounts, press Ctrl plus A so that whatever you have made, that is going to save. Then, my dear students, go to main menu by pressing escape key and select balance sheet. One balance sheet will be displayed. If you want more and more particulars, press Alt plus F1. In my previous video also I have given one question on balance sheet. We have to practice these two questions. In lab work, we have balance sheet, we have trial balance, we have final accounts. If you want to see the vertical balance sheet, just press F11 or F12. F12. There you select vertical balance sheet, yes. Okay, F12 is known as configurations. F11 is known as accounting features. Okay, then you select vertical balance sheet so that it will show in vertical balance sheet. Hope, my dear students, you are copying the question. Yeah, tally learning will be like in two ways. One, learning the theory, which is there for 80 marks, and doing lab work. And you can ask me a doubt now. Sorry, if the question will come like what is balance sheet, what we should write. My dear students, it's a very good doubt. Balance sheet is a financial statement prepared by every company as part of their final accounts. It is showing the financial position like assets and liabilities of the company on a particular date. There are two kinds of assets like fixed assets and current assets. And liabilities are also classified into shareholder funds, reserves and surplus, long-term liabilities and current liabilities. So a balance sheet is consisting of all these, my dear students. In Tally ERP9, after you enter all the particulars, just go to main menu. There select balance sheet option so that you will get output. Steps I want to remind you, my dear students. Create a company just after you copy the question in the notes first. Without copying, you cannot do anything. Copy the question, create a company on your name, enter the ledger accounts under multiple, under all items, press Ctrl plus A, then go to main menu, there select balance sheet option, then write the output in the notes, then press Alt plus F1 so that you are going to get more and more particulars. I wish you all the best, my dear students. Every day I am teaching these kind of practical problems where you have to practice in the lab. The more you practice, the more you will get. All the best, my dear students, all the best. Do subscribe to my channel. Please share the question with all